Exam mode enables you to allow or disable certain features when a particular student is taking an exam or test. In the Options ribbon tab, click Exam Mode. This prompts you to type the current password. If the password has been forgotten or isn't set up yet, click here to set up a new one. This does require your Docs Plus serial number, which you used for installation. Enter your password. And exam mode on and off on the right will ungray, allowing you to turn on exam mode. Click the Options tab, and then from within here, select the features that you wish to disable, in this case, Workspace Predictor and Spell Check and Auto Capitalization, and then click OK. The selected features will now be made unavailable, so Predictor and Spell Checker have been turned off up here. Exam mode settings are saved per Windows or Mac user and will stay on until they are turned off. To view a PDF exam paper beneath the document, open the PDF that you wish to have as the exam, and then click the split view icon here, allowing the student to not only see the PDF, but also access the document as well.